In previous video, I explained about the equivalent fraction, and we said that the equivalent fractions are the common multiple of numerator and denominator of a fraction. Okay, now we are trying to understand equivalent fraction with the help of images, okay, to clarify the basic concept to the children, right? So I have shaded in this three figure half bread. We say it a half bread, right? So if I write the shaded portion mathematically, then we can write this figure as 1 upon 2. Okay, out of 2 equal division we have taken 1, we have shaded one part, upper part. Okay, and for this figure we can write 2 upon 4. Is it clear? Because we have equally divided this bread into 4 parts and we have shaded 2 parts, this one and this one. Okay, now again we further divided the bread into 8 equal parts, as you can see in this image, and we have taken 1 2 3 4 equal parts, right? So as we have divided this into 8 equal parts, so for denominator we'll write 8, right? And we have taken 4 shaded parts, so we write here 4. Okay friend, you are watching here that all the three fractions are looking different. Okay, but if we watch these three images, then we can conclude that all the shading portion of the above three images are equal, because this one is also half portion of the bread, this is also a half portion of the bread, and this one is also a half portion of bread. Okay, I think you are understanding. Whenever you will asked in your questions that is 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 is equal fraction, so how will you find it? Okay, what will you do? You will reduce the fraction, and I told you that the fraction equivalent fractions are the common multiple of the numerator and denominator. So by taking any common number we can divide the numerator and denominator to reduce the fraction into its simplest form, right? Here the simplest form of all these three fractions is 1 upon 2. Is it clear? So we can reduce all these two fractions into the simplest form. Okay, how? We can say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 2, 4 twos are 4. We are watching here that the both fractions has turned down to its basic form. Okay, so I think the equivalent fractions concept is clear for you. Okay, now next come to the mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means there is a mixture of whole plus fraction, right? If we say that there are two bread and half of the bread, okay, so for these two bread we can write 2, and for this half bread, because full one is this, we can take 1 upon 2. Clear? So when we add whole plus fractional part, then mixed fraction is generated, right? So we add fractional part and whole part, so what we will be left with 2 plus 1 by 2 means just bring these two near this one directly. Okay, it is very clear concept for adding any mixed fraction, if it is written 4 plus 3 by 4, just remove this plus sign, you can write 4 3 by 4. Okay, it's very simple. So this is a mixed fraction because there is a whole part, that is 2, and fractional part, this is 1 upon 2. So I think you are understanding the concept of mixed fraction. Okay, this mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. I have shown here 2 whole 1 upon 2. This fraction can be converted into improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, we can convert it into improper fraction. How? You multiply this 2 with this whole part, right? So what is the relation between this and 2? Multiplication. And what you get, you just add with this one. Okay, the result will be added to this one. So 2 2s are 4, that means 2 2s are 4 plus 1. You will get numerator like this, and keep the denominator as it was. Okay, so it will become 5 by 2. It is a improper fraction. Okay, I told you that improper fraction is that fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, I will deal the problems of the various kind of the fraction in next video. Okay, I think you are clear about the type of the fraction. I told you proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, unlike fraction, like fraction, equivalent fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay, in last 3 video I have discussed about all these type of the fraction. Now in the next video we will solve many examples of the fraction, so that the total clarity of the subject you obtain. Okay.